Welcome to the Long Family Farm. I figured I would post this video of how I got to come home today and show Carl that I could feed the cows a round bale of hay without the tractor, which is in the shop. So enjoy, laugh, you all are the best. Have a great evening. Okay, I'm gonna see what I can get accomplished here. I have a good idea in my head, so hopefully this will work. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. Whoa, this is gross. And heavy. All right. Here we go. Uh-oh, lost momentum. Okay, so pallet, bale of hay. Gotta get the bale of hay on the pallet. Don't know if I can do it. I'm already breathing heavy, but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, it's heavy, but I think I can do it if I don't slip in the mud. Oh, gosh. All right. It's on the pallet, but barely. Whew. But I did it. All right, that was phase 2. All right, so I'm totally out of breath, but that's okay. I think I've got 2/3 of the way there. Now, I've just got to pull this bale behind me through a gate, about, oh, I don't know, 100 yards, maybe. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Come on, John Deere Gator. It's working. Got a little bit ways to go. Hold on. Hang in there, bale of hay. Oh my gosh, I'm excited if this works. Uh-oh, going off to the side. Hang on. Okay, so here's the hungry crowd. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go through the gate, give them some feed, and get them away from the gate so I can drive through and hopefully get them a new bale of hay. I'm feeling pretty accomplished. All right, phase 3, almost done. I'll be back in a minute. Hey everybody. Oh my goodness, are you hungry? I don't have anything. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. We get some more. Hold up. Hold up. Here you go. This is the scary part because they are pretty hungry. I don't want to turn my back on any of them because they could hurt me. All right, here we go. close the gate. Hey, buddy. Hey, good girl. All right, folks. So far, so good. Okay, so that's kind of how you do a little reverse engineering. I'm gonna get this thing unpacked, get inside before it's dark. Everybody have a wonderful night, and I hope this brought you a smile or a laugh, but it was fun to see if I could do this, and so hope you enjoyed the post. Okay, and just to end the video, here's a cute little sunset dusk glimpse of this little guy, our newest one, born on New Year's Eve. And there's some of the happy cows. Y'all have a great night.